Whistlin Diesel recently got arrested for tax evasion. I'm a tax attorney. Let's talk about the 3 things he could have done better to have kept this at bay or not from happening at all. Whistlin Diesel bought a Ferrari in the state of Montana where there is no sales tax. What he could have done better: first, don't use a Montana LLC. Use a Wyoming LLC. The privacy rules are much better in the state of Wyoming. And then you could register that Wyoming LLC in the state of Montana, and then your name is off of the LLC documents. If he had used a Wyoming LLC, it is most likely that his name wouldn't be up here, it would just be his LLC down here, and they would then go after the LLC, and then they would have to prove that they pierced a corporate veil to get through to him, so that would be a whole other process. If I was advising him, I would have said, hey, let's not buy it in an LLC. Let's buy it through a trust cited out of Nevada. So a Nevada Asset Protection Trust where your name isn't on anything. We would make it irrevocable. We would make it a settler trust so it's not a grantor trust. And then there's no way for you to get indicted because you don't own it. The trust owns it and you're allowed to use it and do anything you want with it. What can he do now? I completely understand he's upset. There are probably thousands of people in the state of Tennessee that are driving around in luxury cars with Montana plates. But you know what? They're not going on social media and putting it in Ferrari's face that they're blowing up their car. I would tell him, while you're going through this process and dealing with this indictment, don't talk about this. In fact, all the videos you've already made, take them down. Yes, they've been shared, but I promise you, the very first thing that district attorney is going to do is they're going to take that video and they're going to show it to the jury where you're talking about everything you did. Could even take it out of context and just show you clips of it. If you are found to have admitted to some sort of crime on video, they're going to show it to the jury and it's going to be a very hard battle. I do think there is an opportunity here to resolve this case. Pay the sales tax, pay the fines, pay the court costs, and under TCA 4035-313, take a plea for a deferred prosecution, which would keep it off your record. You stay clean for a year, you don't get in trouble with the state, and it goes away. It's expunged. That would be my advice to him. I wish you the best of luck. I know this is stressful, and quite frankly, I'm on your side here. I don't think you owe the state sales tax. You have a good lawyer. I know him personally. He's a good guy, but tone it down.